So you have a street side barber who's, shaving 10, 15 people in a row using the same blade, who will then end up infecting all of them. We also have a not very reliable blood screening system in terms of blood transfusions. And then, unfortunately, even syringes. There's a secondary industry where syringes that are used and thrown away are subsequently picked up by somebody, washed, repackaged, and sold as new. By conservative estimates, about 10 million people in Pakistan that are HCV positive. They should be candidates for treatment. So initially, I had heard already about what Gilead was doing in the HIV space. And when drugs like Sovaldi were close to regulatory approval, this was development that was very relevant to countries like Pakistan. We really wanted to partner with Gilead. I think Gilead's Global Access Program is a program that for countries like Pakistan means more than what is possible for me or patients that are benefiting from the drug to be able to describe. Generally, new drugs make it to countries like Pakistan 10 years after they've been discovered and launched in Japan and the US. And for a large global company to try and make this much effort to not only bring a drug that is just developed and launched in the US, a year ago or less than a year ago, to be able to bring that to a country like Pakistan and bring it at a cost that's locally relevant, that would even make sense for a patient in Pakistan to try and pay, has really been phenomenal. It's overwhelming, the response we see to it every day. It's extremely gratifying for us as their local partner in Pakistan to see the real world implications of the Global Access Program, and they're phenomenal. It's not just the healthcare equation that we're addressing through providing access and treatment to HCV and cure. You're really addressing a fundamental economic equation for those families as well. We have large families in Pakistan, sizes of 5, 7, 8 people. On average, one breadwinner or two in the family that support the entire family structure. So if one of them becomes HCV positive, it's a death blow to the entire family in terms of their economic situation. So to be able to help those patients get back to track and be able to find jobs is, again, it's an amazing benefit that this kind of treatment provides. This partnership gives me a lot of hope personally. Even in a large country like Pakistan with almost 200 million people, if in a country like that we're able to eliminate a disease of the scale and devastation that hepatitis C has caused, I think that would really be a remarkable achievement. And it is possible now, thanks to this kind of partnership.